wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up, holy mochaccino. Target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino. That's the code. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy mochaccino. Price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up, holy mochaccino. Target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP.
Hey, how's it going? How's it going, everyone? You gotta love trading New York, the biggest and the largest session in the world. Wow. I definitely got injured pretty hard today, unfortunately, guys. Unfortunately, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it, guys. In the meantime, before we go ahead and talk about how my trade went today, I want to quickly take a look and see where is my swing trading account going, because I do have a Palantir. Hold on one second, guys. I do have a Palantir. I do have a Palantir order. I do have a Palantir order that I placed, and I want to quickly take a look and see if I'm up. I want to take a look and see what the Palantir is doing at the moment, guys, after hour. Let's take a look, guys. Okay, so Palantir post market 140. Okay, so a couple things here. I had a pretty good plan coming into this morning, guys. Number one, I kind of went, okay, the savings was kind of pulling back pretty hard. In the meantime, the Max 7s, like the big Max 7s, were actually doing pretty well, obviously apart from the Apple. So what I had in mind was, let me try to go long. Instead of TQQ, I went long. What do you call this again? I went long on the UPRO. That's obviously the ETF, right? For the long, for the SPY. It's 3 times the leverage. So I went long on UPRO. And then I added some shares of Microsoft and obviously Amazon. And a bit of Meta. And then what did I do? I did buy some SpaceX shares. And what I did was I went for a swing trading trade on Palantir, right? So what I'm at right now with the Palantir, looks like the Palantir is up quite a lot at the moment, guys. So the Palantir is up 11%. So I'm going to try to hold that account, hold that trade into maybe tomorrow, right? The Palantir. I bought, I bought the Palantir shares today, about 15 shares. So I'm going to try to sell that off tomorrow, which is fine. So far, looking pretty good from a swing trading account standpoint. So that was a good plan coming into this morning. Now, last night I was down on 2 accounts. I found a way to call those accounts back to good standing. So I had this account. I was down about $1,800. I'm only down to, I got it back to like negative $800. So I'm back over 50K on a funded account in the Legend. So that's good. And I also found a way to make some good trades on my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. So 2 of the Pro accounts that I have here, I've made about $400 on each one of those. So we're up about $800, a little over than that. And then I will be requesting a payout tonight, right? I will be requesting a daily payout tonight, which is great. But I ended up losing all my listed accounts. All my listed funded accounts, and I also ended up losing one Pro account that I just activated this morning, guys. I activated last night into this morning on the 150K account. So you want to talk about the bigger account, the better. This could be a good example. This could be the good example where it doesn't matter what account size you have in the world, guys. If you're on the wrong side, at the end of the day, you're out. And that's exactly what happened to me. I got a little excited trading the New York cash. It's been a while I've traded the New York. I traded the 150K. I went short. And immediately when the market ended up bouncing, I had 4 mini contracts, by the way. It was not forgiving at all, guys. It had 0 tolerance. And I absolutely got nuked. Of course, with that trading drawdown, it wasn't helping either. I would have maybe survived if this was end of day. But it was trading drawdown, of course, you guys know that. And it could not survive. So I ended up blowing that account. Luckily, I also had 2 Pro accounts that I got over. Well, no, it was already over buffer. Made about $450 on each of those. So we got about $900, give or take. If you split that 20% to their TPT share, I'll have a net $700 right in my pocket. So that's good. But I don't know how to explain this, guys. It was a pretty weird day, if you will, to summarize how the day went. But yeah, am I happy? Absolutely not. I'm not happy at all. But you know what? This is part of the process, I guess, right? We're going to have to forget about it. We're going to have to move on. Because if you don't do that, you are going to wreck more accounts. So that's what it was, guys. That's what it was. Man, I am just... I don't know what to tell you guys. I am like, you know what? New York, it's been a while, right? I took it easy. I thought it was easy. Honestly, I thought New York was easy peasy. But man, those moves it was making, man. Oh my God. A blink of an eye, guys. It just went boom, boom, boom. None of my listed accounts survived. And they were all pretty close to payouts too. So, no regrets though. No regrets, guys. I tried. No regrets. And, you know, we're just going to have to move on. If I did not get my Pro accounts to pay out tonight, guys, it would have been a bad day for me. I would have been very disappointed myself. But I said, you know what? I do have a payout that's gonna offset, you know, my losses today. So, and I'm just going to forget about the past. I wanted to quickly tell you guys so I can take it off the shelf and now start focusing on the new trades here coming into the Globex, guys. Another day, another session. Everybody, good luck, guys, if you guys are trading here tonight. One exciting time to be here. The market is ripping. And also my swing trading account, guys, that also went pretty well. I stepped in to buy some Palantir shares. And it looks like the Palantir is up about 12% as we speak. So that's good from that standpoint. I think my average on the Palantir is... let's take a look. The Palantir is sitting at $140, so it's up 12%. It's up 12%. And let's take a look and see where we're at. Yeah, Palantir is... Yeah, my average is $127. So not bad overall. I kind of feel like I'm doing pretty well with the swing trading account. On a public account, that is, right? That I share with everybody here. Every time we have change in the balance. So that's good from that standpoint. I don't have any cash in the sideline anymore, guys. It's fully loaded now. We started the swing trading, new fresh swing trading account. I think it was like 4 months ago, right? 3 months ago, right? From at 35K. We're right now sitting at 38, pretty much. So we'll see. I'm fully loaded now. No cash in the sideline. We're gonna have to wait and see. I'm gonna take the Palantir off the table tomorrow, though. A portion of it. Okay, so now coming back to the futures prop from trading, guys. Let's go back to the charts. What am I gonna try to do here today? Let's take a look and see what we have here in the table, guys. Oh, and yeah, I've gotta remember to I don't know if I want to be buying the account, because I do have an opportunity to buy an account for 50% off on Tradify. And it looks like I got an email from Tradify stating that today is the last day. So I may be using that to buy something. I'm not sure. But I wanted to, the reason why I did not really take anything from a Tradify standpoint is because I wanted to get a payout from this one account first before I can start loading in accounts. But what's funny is I hit max loss two times on this funded account. So basically I was up into the 55,000 cash balance, and I got it down to 53, and then I got it back to 54, and then I lost another 2K, so kind of got it back down to 52,000, and now we're getting I guess a small little base hits every single day, and now we are up to $3,300. So I probably have to have another couple thousand to get to a payout. Unfortunately, man, I had lots of up and downs on this account. Fortunately, though, we still have the account, so all I really had to do is trade for maybe, I don't know, for another week or so, and try to see, try to get some base hits, and try to get this account back to about 6,000, and maybe I get a payout, right? Until then, I'm gonna hold off on buying any accounts, and only with an exception, the 50% off that I have that I can use. I'm not sure what to do with that one, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. In the meantime, we'll try to see if we can trade. Try to see if I can trade. I'm going to try to trade listed. We'll start the trading with the listed first to start the day. And then we'll try to move on to Take Profit Trader Pro again. Right? We want to go ahead and trade the Pro account. We'll see how that goes. Okay, we got 2 more minutes, guys, for the market to open. Good luck, guys, if you're trading here tonight. And how was your day, everybody? How was your day, guys? You let me know. How was your day? Miss Kate in the house, what's up? Leave it. Screams, just my style in the house. With no fear. Captain Price, what's up? Corey, how's it going? Decaf live. Let's go. That's yeah, it was an exhausting day for me, for sure. I told you last week we go lower, remember? We don't go lower. Bowser trades. I hope you banked. FOMC puts the low in. That's right. Min Max Infinity says he got something. I cannot read that. I gotta filter that. Not sure why I was bearish, because I was stupid Cosby thinking it would wait and people will sell the news and DT thumb. Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking at the beginning, and that's how I ended up losing my listed accounts. But hey, Nothing much you can do now, man. You're gonna have to move on. Just forget about the past, right? Forget about the bad moments where we ended up losing accounts. Palantir hit the option expected high. Yeah, so my average is 127. I'll be taking some profits off the table tomorrow morning. I do kind of expect to see a little more push in the Palantir. A bit of a short squeeze as well. Wiz not fear, Palantir killed it. Now grab stock. EPS coming out soon. We'll rock it. Let's go. You also lost a funded account. Livid screams. Yeah. What can I do, right? Nothing much I can do, guys. That's just part of the process. Unfortunately, whether you like it or not. Mike Kin in the house. Let's go. Love the bull boat. Let's go. Hit the buy and wait for the gap to the upside. Let's go. Remember last week? FOMC put the low, we go higher. Yeah. We need logic buy button. Oh well. Has one eval already. Wow, the market's not even open, guys. Guys, dude 45. The market's not even open and already passed one eval. Let's go, dude 45. That's my man. I would love to do that any single day, guys. I wish I passed already 25 accounts right now. And the market's not open. Let's go. Oh, you had the New York low held 1 point. Amazing. Yeah, Bowser trades, man. Good job, man. You did not short today? Okay. Yeah, well, unfortunately, I ended up trying to short the market, guys. And that's when I got destroyed. You know, I mean, as much as it sounds easy, it's really not. The market is tough, right? The market is tough. And today was no exception. Another wild day, another wild swings. And yeah. But I had some really nice calls, right? I kind of expected to see a bounce in the market. But I thought we get a pullback first. You know, that's the real problem. Every time I look for that small little pullback, like you never really get that sort of a pullback that you're looking for. And then the market ends up ripping to the upside. Always has done that. I don't know why. Vinny Lee in the house. What's going on, man? Lost 2 evals today, Lilia. I mean, that's fine. Yeah, evals, losing 2 evals, losing 4 evals, that's fine. Right? I mean, as long as your funded accounts are kind of protected in a way. You've decided that you're just going to stick to one strategy and be strict. Yeah, it's easy to say, to be honest. I mean, that's what everybody says, right? Including myself. We're just going to stick to what we know, stick to one strategy, stick to the one game plan. But I mean, I don't know. When you're in a battle zone, things can change pretty quickly. So, right? Wish it was that easy. But anyways, guys, let's try to see if we can bank it tonight. We're going to start the day here, guys, with the micro contracts on a listed 25K account. Well. All right, guys. Hope you all have a great day. Let's go. I know we all sleep for sure. So what happened here, guys? I mean, so far, nothing burger. We're up like 0.25%. But man, today's rip to the upside was a monster. Do we think we get to 29s? I think so. I think we probably have a good chance of a bounce back into 29, to be honest. It is possible. I think it's possible. But do we go straight in one line? No. Do I expect to see a little pullback? Possible. All right, guys. Let me take a little break. Have a little coffee. And start fresh. Let's go. Guys, we got an account giveaway here right now. So go ahead and type in exclamation tiger, guys. It would have definitely been a better day for me, but it's okay, guys. I mean, it's okay. You know, I've taken $900, right? So I'm going to be happy about it. It could have been a lot worse, by the way, but somehow we managed to get a daily payout, right? So it's kind of a wash, if you will. Guys, we are getting a little bit of a bigger move here. We're getting some sort of volatility here, guys. Keep an eye on this. All right, so we're getting a little pullback at 924. Do we have any news from a headline standpoint? Let's take a look, guys. Let's see what we have here in the table. We don't really have anything there at the moment. We don't. Cuba national power grid collapses after blackout on Sunday. Okay, well. Guys, let's try to have some fun here today. And let's try to slate the market at the same time. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. All right, guys, I'm going to try to long on a pullback. I think the better idea is to try to long on a pullback than trying to short the top, right? Because we don't know where the top is here, right? We had a big explosive move here today, right? And yeah, I mean, that could continue. That could continue. So I don't want to risk trying to short the market, right? Where the overall sentiment is still to the long side. I will be requesting a payout though tonight, so that's good. That's good. But man, what a rough day. What a rough day. What a difficult day as well, guys. Today was just really tough. Overall, it was tough, guys. It was tough. I ain't gonna lie. It was a tough day. It's been a while since I've actually traded in New York properly, right? So, man, ooh, those moves were those moves were crazy. Wow. Did you guys do well today? How was your day, everybody? You tell me. How was your day, everyone? All right, so I'm going to try to long on a pullbacks here, guys. We'll try to see how it goes from there. Kazumex sad. How come sad, brother? What happened, bro? Come here. Let me give you a hug. You got $600 on 6 accounts. Let's go, Bowser, man. Let's go, bro. Happy for you, man. Happy for you. Am I happy? Well, I'm not sad. I'm not happy either. I'm just status quo, guys. I'm status quo. Yeah, I'll be trading Tech Profit Trader. Just I want to start the day with the Lucid. It's a bit of a courtesy to the Lucid, you know what I mean? I haven't traded Lucid in a while. So I wanted to give Lucid a chance to see if I can bank here. Right, one account and then we'll try to go to the next. All right, so I'm trying to go long on a pullback here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a pullback to begin with. I want to give this market a bit of a chance to let it do its thing, right? At least for the first 5-10 minutes. Remember yesterday I got absolutely slapped in the face with a legend account that almost blew $1,800 down on that account, trying to trade the first 10 minutes of the day. Incredible. Somehow we find a way to be back. Not green, but net rate about $700. Wow. Somebody mentioned about saving that account, and honestly, I wasn't expecting to save that account, to be honest. But somehow we found a way to save and be red from $1,800, guys, down to negative $700. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, guys. I only had like $180 drawdown remaining on that account. Crazy. But after saving that account this morning, ended up losing all my listed accounts. Let's go. I love it. The best trader in the world. Rebecca Warner, what's going on? Thanks for being a YouTube member here. Thank you so much for your support to the channel. Mr. Kasilek in the house. West Side, what's up? How's it going? MMXM in the house. Bethany Benusi, what's going on, brother? What's going on? Kazumex Nguyen. Lucid Pizza in the house. KZ Miller. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Organic Video. Long time no see. How you been, brother? So I already said how I did today. So, and I don't want to bring that up again because I don't want to talk about it because I will start to remember what happened, and I'm gonna start to get some nightmares. What's up, Mr. Super Killer? Just 1 second, guys. 1 second, everybody. Okay, so I'm looking for a little pullback here down to the 920s before I can start to take a step to the long side. Wow, it's not wanting to pull back here, by the way. It's not wanting to pull back. It does not want to pull back here, guys. All right, so the market trying to get a bounce, and yet, wow, incredible. 947 is where we at the moment, guys. Doesn't look like we are going to get a pullback here. Let's take a look at the Palantir here for a second, guys. I want to take a look and see where we're at. We're at 141, so it looks like we're up. Palantir up quite a lot. I do have some time to take the profits off tonight before we get to tomorrow, but I kind of like holding that trade, right? I want to keep that trade. Maybe see if we get a bounce into the 150s by tomorrow morning. 150s by tomorrow morning, guys. I think 150s tomorrow morning. Is that possible? I think it's possible, if you will. It's doable, guys. It's doable, right? I mean, you're getting a good 15% move on guys like Microsoft, right? I mean, Palantir could see like 40% to the upside too. Believe it or not, that's we've seen that many times in the past, guys, with Palantir. Well, after getting beat up this morning, I mean, I'm surely not doing okay, I think. ASAP Fly in the house, what's up? Very, very possible. It is, yeah, it is possible. So I'm just gonna leave it there. I mean, who knows? And I intend to hold the Palantir whether we end up pulling back 40% from here. It doesn't really matter. And that's the reason why I knew right at the bat, even though we had earnings coming out, I decided to take a stab on that trade with Palantir because I knew even if we end up pulling back, I'm just going to hold it. And that's Palantir is one of the stocks that I wanted to hold it anyway. So I decided to buy and kind of hold it. And if I get lucky and earnings are decent, and the market's already sold pretty hard, right? And Palantir down into the 120s, guys. I mean, don't forget, Palantir was sitting at 240 just a couple months ago. Oh, did you guys see that? Wow.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, I want to trade. I want to
Order
trade
submitted.
good today, guys. Let's try to bring some positive vibe. Let's try to trade well today, guys. Smaller size, StockTiger. Smaller
Order
size.
canceled.
Don't try to be overly too aggressive here today. You don't have the energy, you know it. So just calm down and do your thing.
Order
Filled.
Slowly and slowly. Guys, but something's going on here, guys. Something's going on. I don't like the way it's kind of moving. I'm going to get it off. I'm going to get it
Order
off.
filled.
Order filled.
What is this? We end up pulling back 20%. Sorry, not 20%. 20 points here. 20 points right here. But what was the reason? Wow, look at that. Oh, my dear. Well, you gotta love it. You gotta love it the way it's kind of moving here. $9.44 is where you're at, guys. We got to bounce immediately right after getting a pullback. So I wonder what this bounce is all about, though. All right. I'm still staying a little patient, guys. I'm still staying a little patient. I do not want to repeat the same thing like yesterday. The last thing you want to do is repeat the same thing over and over again, right? So yesterday I got slapped trying to trade in the first 10 minutes. So today I'm gonna try to take it a little slow and let this market do its thing and give me this little bit of a pattern if there is going to be any of that here tonight. Okay, so let's take a look, guys. 942 is where we at the moment, and Palantir still pushing here into the 142. Nvidia eventually found a way to get a balance. Tesla up into the 322. So I don't have the Tesla share, but I did buy a TSLL. That's the leverage ETF. That's what I have with the Tesla. So as when the Tesla keeps pushing to the upside, I mean, it's ×3, right? So I'm maybe just holding Palantir into, I guess, I don't know, for the rest of the year. Maybe we have a chance of Palantir getting a bounce back to 200, right? For all you know. Like, isn't that something that's possible? Palantir? Maybe just kind of hold it. Look, guys, Palantir was high into the 207. That's the highest it went. So we expected to see this Palantir kind of pull back into the 120s. And we kind of held the 120s, getting a bounce into the 141. So the next level of resistance is really going to be in that 150 area to the 160, right? That's what we have here. So maybe we try to get a bounce into that level. And I don't know, we're going to have to kind of hold and wait and see. Let's see if that's going to be this, right? And that could be a nice little break to the upside. Finally, off that 150, 160 bounce. It's going to get quite interesting here with the Palantir. And I'm willing to kind of hold it, right? And maybe add even more. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm willing to take a stab, guys. So go a little more aggressive on these stocks. Because we are right now into the second half of the year, right? So we only have so much time now. $100 lots at 28,967. That isn't moving. By the end of the year, SFL, are you still holding the SOXL SOXS? Or are you or not? Let me know if you are, bro. That's gonna be a lot of fun. What am I holding? Instead I'm holding SOXL SOXL. That's the semis, right? For the longs, the bulls, right? Guys, I'm not sure what this is gonna try to do here, but man, I'm gonna look to see. Guys. If we try to hold, maybe try to get a bounce into the 960s, guys, and that could possibly give us a chance of a break to the upside, right? And I probably would say that finally we may try to retest the 29K here tonight. I would like to go long on a pullback. So I think that's what I'm gonna try to do here, guys. It's just that the market did not give me a chance to try to reload on the long side, so.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted.
I mean, today could have been a lot worse, to be honest, but somehow managed to walk away, like not get into any more of a silly trades. And quite honestly, I don't think any of my trades were kind of silly. It's just that the market was very volatile, and yeah, you know, you're just on the wrong side. In fact, I was looking to try to go long, but I was like, you know what? Let me just look for a small little quick pullback. And I've done that so many times in the past where I'm like, even though I'm kind of biased to the upside, I'm looking for that small little pullback, right? And then try to hop on a long again. But there are times where it would not give me a chance to peel my profits off, right, on a small little pullback. The market would not pull back at all. And that's exactly what happened today. It would not pull back. It just would not pull back, right? And it just kept going straight to the moon, and there was absolutely no way I could withstand that trade. No regrets though. So I mean, on a good note, I do have my pro accounts, guys, still alive, and we're gonna see if we can continue the daily payout streak and see how that kind of plays out. I would love to make, you know, I mean, I'm not gonna put a number into how much I do want, but I mean, if we can get anywhere between $400 to $800 every single day across these accounts, then I'll be happy camper. You know what I mean? Like being able to take like $500 on an average every day. Like if we did the math for an entire month, that's a pretty good number, right? You're talking about. Take a look, guys. That's 26 days of trading, and if you're taking $500, and that's a realistic number too, that's like 13,000 right off the bat. You do not need anything else. You know, we already went through this, right? Last month, you know, I had one single account on a pro that got me over 8,000. We've gone through that before, and we're gonna try to see if we can actually make it happen again. Yeah, I mean, I was looking for a pullback here. Like the bigger problem is when you know you're bullish and yet you're getting into a short trade, looking for a quick little flush down and then bounce. Why are you trying to do that? Why? I have this bad habit, you know what I mean? This habit of where I'm kind of going, I want I'm looking for that quick little pullback. I think we're gonna get a maybe, I don't know, 20 points pullback. But sometimes, there are days like today where you're just never going to get anything out of it. Okay. Enough of talking. Enough of talking. And see where the Palantir is. Palantir up to 14%, guys. $143. Let's go. Wow, it's not moving. It's not moving here at the moment, guys. So, gonna have to stay a little patient. Palantir back to the 144. So it's up 14% as we speak, everybody. Looking pretty sharp. Looking pretty good. I'm still looking for a small little pullback here before I can take a stab to the long side, of course. We'll see how it plays out, everybody. Was that a short? Was that a bottom, like FOMC? You guys think it's the bottom? You guys don't think we get a pullback anymore from here? Not a single pullback. Let's go. That was the bottom. The motivated sellers has disappeared. I mean, I think today's bounce in the market, guys, it's a classic example of a short squeeze, right? The shorts are getting squeezed. As when you have short squeezes like that, you're never going to get a pullback, right? Because shorts are getting liquidated and the market will continue ripping to the upside, of course. Going back down lower. Wow, look, as we got a bear here, guys, in the house. Let's go. At least we've got bears now stepping in. All right, had a $600 swings overnight. Let's go. Great short entry. Well, wow. I mean, I'm looking to trade, but crazy stuff, man. Look at that. I mean, that's a That's 10 points, guys. There's no way I can trade this. We're getting a 10 points, so maybe what I can try to do is maybe step in with I don't know. Maybe I could try I don't want to nuke though, you know what I mean? Like it's
order submitted.
All right, we'll try, guys. We'll try. All right, guys, I'm going to try here. I'll put a limit order here, 947. Looking for that bit of a chop, sort of a tradable entry, right? The chop will be somewhere between here. So it's going to be like a 20, I would say 10 points range, man. That's crazy. So 10 points range is what I'm looking for. Entry short at the top, you're 948. Long from 940. 10 points, man. That's tough. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. I mean, if we are going to just chop Jerry in a very tight range, I mean, I'm okay. I'll try to play the chop.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Well, let's just go back to this, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can.
Order submitted. 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 Order submitted.
I mean, this is really annoying.
Order submitted.
Annoying the fake
Order
out of me.
submitted.
Fake out of me.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I mean,
Order
if this is how it's gonna. Well, if the market
Order
wants to try to
submitted.
play dirty
Order
like that, I mean,
order
okay. I'll
order
play dirty too.
order
StockTiger knows how to
canceled.
do it. We know
Order
this.
canceled.
We've done Globex for too long now. I'm gonna show a Korean Gangnam style spider web, and I'm gonna
Order.
trap.
Order filled.
I'm gonna trap this price action, guys, here, right now. I know, just kidding. Realistic Vancouver, just trying to have some fun. A beautiful spider web, guys. Let's see if I can trap this. Let's see if I can trap this candle and smack it. You're done trading the chop, all right? Until it moves out, yes. Ideally, you want to get out of this channel to, you know.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, so we're getting some kind of a move here. Let's see what happens here. Better not get a destructive move to the downside. I'm gonna get absolutely disappointed.
Order filled.
Filled.
Yeah, I've got to have a lot of coffee, guys. I've got a bit of a jet lag issue I'm kind of dealing with at the moment. Oh yeah, certain so. I did catch a huge move. Of course. What are you talking about? This is StockTiger you're talking to. But I caught it on the wrong side, unfortunately. I try to short the market, guys, as always. StockTiger, the number one trader going against the trend. If you guys want to learn how to go against the trend, you've got it right here. StockTiger. Chapula. Oh, so sad. All right, guys. I'm not. Yeah, my course is no longer 99% off, guys. I mean, yeah, no more. I've got to show a lot of green trades before I can do that 99% off again. So right now it's only a 50% off, and it's a 25K account. Sorry, $25,000 account. Course, sorry, a course. So just wait till we get a 99%
Order
off.
filled.
This price action is a mong shit.
Order
Filled.
Ah,
Order
mongmongi.
filled.
Monthly and weekly candle open. Let's go. So market no bueno. No pasa nada. No pasa nada. I've got 6 contracts here, guys. Let's see what happens. Man, there's so much of wildfire everywhere, guys. I mean, the U.S. I think where was it again? In Washington. I hope you guys are all safe. Yeah, there was a wildfire here in the BC as well. And man, crazy stuff, man. What the heck is going on? This global warming is real, guys. Real. I hope you guys are all safe, guys, wherever you guys live in. But be safe out there, guys. Be safe out there. Got 150 pounds. Wow, for another 2K listed payout, man. Let's go, Lilia, man. Is that you getting a lot of listed payouts? Crazy, man. I think one of the trader here, fellow trader, made quite a bit on the first single day. And man, that's almost a guarantee for another 3 payouts on each of that account. So that's crazy. Good to see you. I don't remember who it was, but let's take a look. Maybe we have. Oh, options diamond trader. Look at that. Wow. Awesome job, man. Great news. You got a payment from LLC. Let's go. 1925. I can have that if you want, Mr. Options trader. I can have that. There was somebody who had a Gen 25 had a legend. Huge payout on the legend. Oh, guys, we're getting
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh.
Order canceled.
Whoa. Godzilla. Tiger, be safe. Make sure to tell the Carney. Yeah, I'm not in touch with Carney. I'll let him do its thing. Corny. And that payout paid for another tuition. Yeah. Oh dear, guys, man, what a bounce into the 957. It ripped through all my TPs, guys. Believe it or not, it ripped through all my TPs, and guess what? We ended up getting a pullback here. That was a good 35 points. Wow. Guys, man, this is what I was talking about. Mouse trapping this little candle that we have here. All right, I'm going to take it off. We're going to try to reload here again, guys. One more time.
Order submitted.
Baby, one more
Order
time.
submitted.
Oh, baby.
Order submitted.
Oh.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oops, I did it again. Let's go.
Let you go, and now you're right outside. How you want it to be.
Britney Spears, let's go. You're the man. Yeah. Woo. Oh, sorry guys. You know, that's what happens when you get when you get your ass handed to the market. You know, that's what happens, guys. That's the fact. Captain Price, yo. Tulian in the house. What's up? All right, man. This market is just playing nothing burger here, kind of chopping in a 10-15 points range, and I'm gonna try to draw my spider web yet again. Let's see if we get something out of this, guys. Let's see. I hope we don't get a ripper. If any sort of a rip, either to the upside or to the downside, guys, I will be absolutely
Order submitted. Order submitted.
destroyed.
Order
So let's try to
submitted.
see, guys. I'm gonna
Order
give a bit of a
submitted.
wider limit orders. TRA, Tiger, I tried your spider web last time, but the market did not go back up, so I was flush straight. TRA, bro. That's my signature. You should have said that really worked out really nicely. Thank you, StockTiger. That's what I wanted to hear, bro. TRA. Come on. Realistic Vancouver says rather long the dips. Just looking for the order blocks 8 at the moment. Are you using, well, we got a lot of what do you call this? I forgot the terminology. It's okay. I just realized that I'm not Spider-Man. Well, that's right. You may be a superhero.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we get a little bounce in the market. Let's see what happens here. We're trying to pierce through this. Let's see if this market has what it takes to really smack over 960, guys. If we do that, I'd probably have a good chance of bounce into, I would say, where's the next level we're kind of watching here, guys? The next level would be really the 29,100 area, right? We could see the market try to get a bounce into that level. Or say 80 area, if you will, give or take. 80 and I would say 250, no, 185 into 200, right? That would be another level. So I'll be looking at that here. And by the way, what am I doing? Forget about this.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Oh, guys, man, it just ripped through my TP here. Sorry, not TP, my limit order. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I gonna be in trouble? Maybe. Let's try to get out of this. Holy smokers. And no jokers, guys. I want to get out of this, guys. Somebody somebody help me? I want to get out of this trade if I can. This could be a rip. Uh-oh. Let's see how much drawdown I've got here in the stable. $1,200. So, damn. Looks bouncy. It looks like a nice little bull flag here, kind of forming across the board. We had one there. What I'm going to be looking for is maybe a little minor pullback, and that could take us back high again. Man, I just have a feeling that this could just rip. But before he does that, maybe look for a little pullback, maybe. Uh-oh. Yeah, again, this is a classic example where I'm kind of looking for this little bit of a channel, but I did not realize that we broke out of this channel, by the way. We broke out of the channel, so that kind of invalidates that channel, trying to short the channel top. But I got into that, so I'm going to have to just try my luck. Look for that little pullback here. The more we kind of hold this area, I'm just going to get out, right? See how it kind of goes, guys. All the ICT are longing structure. What does that mean? You mean all the ICT traders are longing right now? Is that what you're saying? It is a bull flag overall. Even on a longer time frame, guys, we got a nice little break to the upside, and that should continue to give us that sort of a right, something like that. I'll probably end up going, but do you get a pullback before we start to get a bounce like that? You know what I mean? So we're gonna have to wait and see. Maybe get a little pullback here, tent. Right, so maybe try to get a pullback here before we start to get a bounce. You know, we get something like that, sort of a play. You know? You know, maybe we get something like that. first before we start to get some sort of a move in the market. You know what I mean? Maybe a bit of an indecisive doji candle and a wider channel range, and then we get a ripper that could potentially take us back. So the question is, what sort of a pullback we're gonna get before we start to get a bounce? But again, if we end up pulling back underneath the 880 area, and if we can't hold that, then I think the market is going to start to look very bearish, right? All right, so let's look for a quick little snap here. Let's see if I get a little lucky. Gonna be looking for a pullback here into the 952. Let's see if we get it, guys. Let's see if we get it. How was your last week? I don't remember how my last week was, guys. But if you ask me how was my July, I think it was pretty good. My July was pretty good. Today was pretty bad, but the month of July was actually pretty good. So, all right, guys, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, all right, I'm out. I'm out of the trade, guys. I'm out. I'm gonna get back into my micro, and I'm gonna try to see if I can long this.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, looks like we're gonna get some sort of a pullback here, guys. We hit that ceiling at 962. We're getting a little pullback here. Let's try to see what happens here, guys. Maybe look for a pullback here into the VWAP, and then if that can't hold, we probably end up pulling back into the 920s. Big belly button. Today was horrible for you, really? What happened, Big belly? I haven't heard from you in a while. Sounds like you're having a tough time. This is the time to take it a little slow, brother. If you are struggling. None like MJ. How much is your course? I'm gonna have to kind of wait, guys. My course is 50% off right at the moment, so... Wait for until it gets to 99% off, right? It's gonna be a little while. I've got to be all green first before I can offer the 99% off. And even if I'm red, I'm not gonna show all the reds either, right? So I'm gonna have to just show the greens and then just kind of call out 99% off. Oh my god. Oh, guys, right into the VWAP. Let's see what happens. That's what happens. Is the Tech Profit Trader dashboard updated? I noticed somebody
Order filled.
Oh man, look at that, guys. What a little pullback here. Yeah, I mean, to lose listed funded accounts and 4 of them on a single go, like it only took me 10 minutes to blow those accounts. I mean, I had those accounts, listed accounts for about a month now. I had it for about a month. While I was away, I used that manual lockout all the time. So even if I did not trade, I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do a manual lockout. I don't want to be trading. I did that so many times, and somehow managed to blow those accounts today. Incredible. In the morning, right off the bat. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. Again, we're getting a bounce here at 950. All right, I'm going to get rid of this trade.
Order
And
filled.
I'm going to look for another
Order
pullback
submitted.
here. That could potentially give me a chance to try to go long.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh yeah, another one that really drives people crazy is that when you're just about to pass, you know, guys, man, I've done this so many times, and that I still continue doing that. You guys have seen that on live as well. There are times when I only need like, I don't know how much I need. I only need like $40. Maybe there are times I needed only about $12, and I end up blowing that account. I've done that live as well. You guys have, if you guys been with me for a long time, you guys know that. God, yeah. I mean, many times. Oh man, Mustafa, man, you gotta be nicer than that. Come on. I've done that. Oh, you have done that. Okay, I see. Okay, phew. Whew. I think you're talking about me. I'm like, you know, I did not really do that so many times. Come on, jeez. But I've done that. You know, I like maybe I don't know. Maybe now on an average I do maybe
Order
once maybe in a month. But there were times where I used to do like 4 or 5 times in a given month of just about to pass, and then all of a sudden, boom, and it's gone. Like, I don't understand why the heck would you want to oversize on an account that you're just about to pass and you only need about $20 and you're going full, like you're going fully loaded. Like, why in the world would you ever even try to do that? Why? You know what I mean? But man, it's tough. It's all up here, right? We all look at the same chart. I mean, some of you guys may be ICT traders. Some of you guys may be order flow traders. You know. And some of you guys may be gamblers, right? Some of you guys may be whatever it may be. But we all look at the same chart. We know where the levels are. We know where the supports are. We know where the resistance levels are. We all know that. We know where the liquidities are. Right? The market is looking for liquidity, right? At the end of the day. And those are the significant levels. So it's all up here. It's all up here in the brains. And maybe I guess I'm just not smart enough. You know, also something that I've noticed is that I've been very, very conservative in a way. Yes, I do oversize a lot of times, but I mean, overall, from a grand scheme of things, I've been very conservative in my trading journey. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't have like a massive payouts. I don't. Like, I used to have that like last year, for example. You know, once in a while, I used to have like a 10 grand payouts, like a party. But I don't have any of that anymore, guys. You guys know that. Every month, there's no a single payout that I come out and say, I've got a $6,000 payout, guys. Let's go. You know, all I have is like $1,000, $500, $600, $700, right? A small payout. It all adds up at the end of the day. But I mean, it's been a while since I've actually had a big monster sort of a payout, or say a big, huge monster, a profitable trading account. It's been a while, you know. I mean, I guess that's probably because I'm not swing trading overnight anymore as much as I used to be a lot before in the past. But you still break your phone? No, I don't. Not like MJ, yo, bro. You still break your phone? Yeah, I mean, I don't do that anymore. But I just, well, yeah, let's not talk about it. Sifoni in the house. What's up? What a grind up during the... Yeah, I know, man. You know what? After... yeah, man. Look at that, guys. What a monster push to the upside. Incredible. You've got to be kidding, guys. And then, after, you know what the thing is, though? After getting very disappointed at myself, by the time I realized that I want to do a lot of trading, we were right here, and we were kind of chopping all freaking day. All freaking day, guys. The market was chopping. Incredible. After missing all this move and blowing all the lucid accounts, I found myself trading at this price action here. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Why not here? Why does it have to be here? It was too late. Sometimes I realize that I'm on the wrong side a little too late, and by the time I realize it, we're, you know, the market's already up there, right? So boy, Pablo in the house. What's going on, man? What's going on, brother? At least you're getting something, Javez. I mean, that's true. So, by the way, I wasn't complaining about smaller payouts. I wasn't complaining about it. I was just saying that, you know, I've not, like, it's been a while since I've actually got something big like that, you know? New York was rough. Boy, Pablo, really? The market does not know how to pull back. Yeah, I know, man. The market just, yeah, just take a look, guys. The market, yeah. I think the market kind of forgot how to pull back. This is a classic short squeeze, guys, for sure. For sure, in my opinion, this is a short squeeze, guys. It took all the shorts, and we got a nice little short squeeze. Yeah, and that was really it. Every time you see impulsive move like that with no any sort of a meaningful pullback, that's a short squeeze, usually. All right, guys. By the way, we got happy little giveaway here. All right. I am going to close the entries here pretty soon. I'm going to give you guys a minute to enter the Apex account giveaway. Right? It's a 150K end of day account eval giveaway here for Apex, guys. I'm going to give you guys one more minute. Right? And I'm going to close the entries, and we're going to go ahead and call out the winner. In the meantime, guys, if you have not done so, show some love. Smack the like, everybody, if you can. We really appreciate it, guys. Truly means the world. If you guys can do that, please take a few seconds right now, guys. We got over 300 viewers with only about 90 likes. Let's try to see if we can get to 180 likes right away, guys. Another 50 likes right away. Can we do that? Let's take a look, guys. Let's see how much love we get here right now in the house, guys. Let's go. Okay, so in the meantime, man, the market is definitely very choppy here. What the heck is going on, guys? What the heck? Chagla. Ye kya ho gaya yaar? मैं मालूम नहीं है क्या हो गया. अरे छप करो यार. Mustafa in the house. Yeah, ES did carry. So I was gonna think about trying to go long with TQQ, and I decided to go with the SPY long. And part of the reason why I went with what is it called again? UPRO. The reason I went long with the UPRO is because SPY was definitely, the ES was doing a lot better. And then The TQs was lagging because of semis, right? So even though we got a bounce in the semis, it was not as significant. So SPY was definitely the way to go. And I took a stab on the UPRS, and I'm still long on that. We'll try to see how much of a bounce we get in the overall SPY. I may just, end up holding that to the end of the year, and maybe keep adding. I don't know. We'll see. My Palantir is up a lot right now. Palantir is up a lot, and let's take a look and see where the Palantir is at the moment, guys. Let's see if it's over. Guys, it's at $143 right now. $143 is where we're at, and the Palantir, it's 14% to the upside. On a single day, I've made over 14%, guys. So I made over 14% on a single day. I'll take that any day for sure. My Discord link is not working. All right, just 1 second. It is all good, guys. I'm going to share my Discord link right now. Guys, my Discord link is right there. And then I'm going to close the entrance now, guys, by the way. Palantir? No, just a small size, bro. Small size. I'm not as big as you are, Vinny Lee. I'm the biggest share of the SpaceX, though. By a margin. Let me take a look and see how many SpaceX shares I have. Oh my god, really? StockTiger calling out like he's the biggest shareholder, SpaceX. He's only got 6 shares, man. Oh, how dirty can that be? And that's after adding a few to the table. Oh my god, that's ugly. 6 shares, let's go. Brought the average down though because I bought at $110. I don't know what it is. I kind of average cost down, but the Palantir is a big play. My average is 127, and I've well, Palantir is 127 average with 18 shares. So we'll see how that plays out, guys. Yeah, I've got to be. I think Justin Wright. Making fun of StockTiger yet again. Let's go. I'm okay. Yeah, I already had a phone call with Elon Musk. We had a little great conversation about how we plan to bring new projects on board. All right, the market is kind of telling me to calm down and do not trade anymore.
Order filled.
Incredible, guys. My orders are getting filled at the moment. Guys, let's take a look and see what happens here.
Canceled.
We're dipping underneath this key level. All right, so we're pulling back here. Let's just try to hold the view up here, guys, in the 938. I wouldn't mind a pull back here into, I would say, 920s before we start to get, a bounce again, bounce attempt. Wow, look at that, guys. That's crazy stuff, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long with 7 contracts. Hopefully we
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I've got quite a bit of buffer on this, so I'm able to hold this.
Order submitted.
I'll probably have like $1,400 drawdown, $1,300 drawdown, not as much.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
All right, guys. The moment of truth. I'm looking for that little bounce, guys, off this view up. Let's see if we get it, guys. I hope this isn't going to be a pullback here. Yeah, I mean, this jet lag is killing me for sure. Yeah, absolutely. It's time to go to bed, of course. At this time of the day. Woo! All right, guys. Let's see if we get a little bounce. I've got my limit order stationed here into the 950s bounce. Let's see, get a nice little 10 points. Really looking for the 10 points. Not looking for the massive move. Just 10 points, guys. A casual 10 points. Let's see what happens. Okay. Wow. Well, as when it's, you know, I hate to be seeing this price kind of flirting at my entry. That's like the worst thing it can ever be. You know what I mean? Oh my god. Let's see, I've got 8 shares. Not 8 shares, 8 contracts. Thinking about my SpaceX at the moment. Oh, wow. Is this going to be a pullback here? Is that what we're going to try to get? Incredible, guys. Incredible. Are we going to find a way to get a pullback here now? I hope this isn't going to be a monster pullback here all the way down. I'm going to be really upset if you do that. Or else I'm going to have to bring Britney Spears back again. What is going on here, guys? What is going on? Are we going to get a pullback here? Fuck me. I'm gonna have to maybe try to get out of this pretty quickly, guys. Maybe on a pullback here. We're right into the VWAP, guys. We could get a smack in the face. That could be a pullback here into the 930s. I'm okay to see a pullback here into 930s, but I mean, anything more than that, it's gonna be a problem. God, I hate this sometimes. Really. Oh, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh my dear. You gotta be kidding, guys. You've gotta be kidding. It's 9:32 right now. Hello? Incredible. All right, I'm gonna hold it, guys. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it as long as I can here and look to see if I can add. I'm gonna add a little bit on a deeper pullback. If I add here, then obviously I'm gonna have, you know, I mean, my chance of being alive on this account will be substantially lower. So I'm going to be looking for a pullback, let's say, scale into a trade from that 900 area. So if you end up pulling back here all the way down to this, that's what I'm going to start to think about adding right here. Right, until then, let's try to hold off. I've got 8 contracts, so I think I should be okay for now. We'll see. Lucas, what's going on? Search and so Tulian 96 Tiger, how much are you up this year? Honestly, I have to go back and check. I have to go back and check. But I'm definitely over 200K by now. I'm probably up over 200K for sure. Personal target for the year. Oh man, I have to go back and look at it again, guys. But we'll talk about this on another day after taking a look at the numbers. But I think my initial goal was to be. My initial goal initially was about 250, but my stretch goal is 300K, a little over 300K. So 300 to 350K is my stretch goal. My base plan is about 250, right? So we'll see. It is realistically possible because I'm already up into the 200K. I may be up to 220. I'm not sure. I have to take a look. But maybe over to between 200 to 220. And then we only have like 100K more to go. And if we're going to average anywhere between 25 to 35 in a given month, then it is definitely doable. You know what I mean? So we'll see. No. That's not net, bro. That's not net. That's gross. That's gross. There's no way that's gonna be that's gonna be net. Are you crazy? Oh, your sister. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry, Mr. Vancouver, man. How come your sister, man? You don't sound like a sister to me. You ain't no lie. The way you talk in the chat really does not sound like your sister, I'm telling you. Come on, please. Can everybody agree with what I just said? What's the goal? My goal will be if I hit 300K, I want to be like my spend. I want to make sure I'm somewhere in that 100K or less. Right? So I want to be 3-2-1. Simple. Very simple. I think I could end up spending more because as we get closer towards the end of the year, I tend to load in accounts to use it as an expense, right? For I don't know if you guys are doing this as a business, but you know, towards the end of the year, you know, you want to be like all your payouts. You want to kind of, well, I don't know. It depends on what sort of a trader you are, but maybe the December payouts, you kind of roll it into January, and you end up loading a lot more accounts towards the end of the December, right? Depends on how much you are up, right? Depends. If you're up a lot, then you want to be you know, playing you have to do the math. Like if you're Canadian, that is, right? I don't know how it works in the US, but I mean, if you're Canadian, yeah, that's how it kind of works. No, you can't. ASF is ASF saying that? Oh, it's Vinny Lee saying that buy 1,000 TPT accounts in December. It doesn't necessarily work that way, but I mean, yeah. I mean, if you're having a tough year, then you don't want to be loading any accounts in December, right? But if you're having a great year and you're getting a big profits, then yeah, you wanna try to increase your expenses, right? We'll see. You know, as we get closer to the Q4 in November and December, we're gonna have to talk about how we plan to close the year as well. So a lot of stuff going on, guys. We got some. We still have good 5 months of trading, right? August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, we got 5 months of trading, so I wish Ferrari, man. I wish. It's gonna take me a long time for Ferrari for sure. And I'm getting old too, guys. Yeah, it's not fun. My back's starting to hurt. You know, my eyes are starting to hurt. You know, it's like nothing's kind of working. Nothing's functioning the way it used to be. Oh, wait, I'm only 19. All right, so, well, everything's fine, guys. Don't worry. Everything's functioning just about right. No problem with my back. Everything's great, guys. Everything's great. Don't worry about my health. I'm 19, so... For sure, you're old. You were listening to Britney Spears as a teenager. Yeah. Yeah, I better not talk about Britney Spears anymore, guys. I better not. Gotta be careful. But honestly, putting all the jokes aside for now, but I mean, really, I wish I was much younger, though. I wish I was much younger. I mean, it would be really nice. Imagine your trading journey, like a profitable journey, starts as soon as you get to 18. Imagine. If you're 18 years old right now, or anywhere between 18 to 25, and you're already a profitable trader, you must be happy. You must be grateful. Nothing gets better than being profitable at the age of 18. Crazy, man, crazy. Why would you kill yourself somehow? Tobias? You're 44 profit factor, really? Oh, guys, we're getting a little bounce. Let's see if we get a bounce into the 960, guys. Let's try to see if we try to retest the swing high here into the 960s, guys. My favorite AI says, I thought StockTiger is 50. What are you talking about? How in the world you call me 50? How? How is that even be possible? Well, that's the worst thing I've ever heard. Worst thing I've ever heard today.
Order filled.
Incredible.
Order filled.
You are the man. See how the market is upset? Did I say it once, really? No, I don't think I've ever said that. No. No lie to me. No lie to me. I never said that. Don't try to be sneaky here. All right, let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens here. Do we get a bounce or do we end up getting a pullback here, man? This market really is annoying the hell out of me right now. Okay, I think we do have a chance to get a bounce at 960 because I'm going to try to hold off and see what happens here. All the way into the 960s, guys. Let's go. Do I look 50 to you? Like, I'm 19 and a half, man. I'm a young Korean. What are you talking about?
Just friends.
My heart. Oh, baby, baby. All right, I'll stop. All right, I'll stop, guys. I mean, I wouldn't do that ever again. I'm sorry. I have a good gene. SF Fly asked Claudia to see Tiger's age. Said about 30 to 33, really? Ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is gonna say 19 and a half. Watch.
Order
Oh,
filled.
guys, let's see what happens here, guys. 952. Let's see if we get a beautiful bounce
Order
into the
filled.
962.
Order
Let's
filled.
go! Booyah! We're here to make some monies. You thought I was from Hong Kong? Jeez, man. Come on, guys. Like, what the hell? What the hell, man? Like, why are you doing that to me? Why?
Gotcha. Making you fall like that. Break it down. When I look in the mirror, and I'm just trying to just see. I got the superstar glow, so
That's where I'm from. That's where I'm from, guys. Let's go. All right, here, let's try to take a look and see, guys. So we're sitting at 952, and the market trying to get a bounce, guys. So I'm going to try to see if I can hold on to this, guys, into the 960s. Let's see if we try to retest the high here, and then look for a pullback thereafter. But I mean, for
Order
now, it's kind of
submitted.
looking pretty decent here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Me new in the house. What's up, man? Haven't seen you in a while, man. What the heck were ya? I hope you're doing well, bro. Tiger. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'll take it down. Don't worry. Don't worry, Real Estate Vancouver. Thanks for sharing your concern. Oh, man. This price action is really annoying the heck out of me right now. Yes, sir. It is. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, yeah. By the way, I'm gonna close the entries, man. I forgot. Guys, are we getting some love? Oh my god, we got over 330 viewers. Come on, guys, let's try to show some love, guys. Come on, let's try to do that. Please take 2 seconds if you can. Try to show some love like never before. We are gonna cancel the strike. We're gonna have a peace deal here in the next few hours. Let's try to show some love. You know, let's try to see if we can get to 200 likes right away, so we can open the hummus again. What a bad joke. All right. Not a good joke at all, man. All right, guys. Everybody cancel the likes, guys. I don't deserve it at all, guys. Just cancel. Everybody, please, if you can. Just cancel. Like, I need a negative. Not a good joke at all, man. I don't deserve it at all. I don't deserve any likes anymore, guys. All right, guys. I'm going to close the entries. Let's go, guys. Let's try to have some fun. I'm going to pick the winner. Guys. You got 45 seconds to let me know that you're here with us, okay? Well, let's go, guys. Let's go. Booyah. We're here to find out who the winner is. Let's go. Mr. Bivac TV. 45 seconds to let me know that you are here. 45 seconds, guys. Be back TV, let me know. He's not here. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, I'm going to cancel this trade here. Let's move on to something else. I wonder what where this market's going to go, though.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Vivek is not here.
Order
ये
submitted.
किधर जाओ यार? मैं मालूम नहीं है. ये किधर हो?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
मेरा नाम विवेक है. जाने जाने चोको दीवाना मस्ताना. All right, where are we here? All right, guys, we're gonna do another one, another giveaway. Bivak is not here, right? So, oh, he is here. Okay, I lied, guys. We're gonna complete the giveaway. We have a winner, so let's go. He is the winner. We got a Bivak in the house, the winner of the first giveaway. Let's go, guys. We're gonna do another one right here, guys. Stay tuned for another round of a giveaway. Yeah. Oh, we could do... Okay, so 1 second. What is it gonna be? I'm gonna do one for real estate Vancouver. Okay, the real estate Vancouver says TPT listed, so I'm gonna have to go with the bigger accounts, guys. 1 second. Okay. Well, that's what he's telling me. So, but here we'll do it. We'll do it as when we get to. Right, as when we get to about 250 likes. Okay, so I'm gonna start the giveaway right now, guys, and we'll call out the winner as well. Oh, hold on 1 second. What's going on here? Oh, I've got it set up. Okay, 1 second. All right, guys, the entries are open now for Take Profit Twitter 50K account giveaway. Good luck, everybody. No, yeah, that's right. Real estate Vancouver. Let's go, guys. Let's see if we get some love. And yeah. Go ahead and type in exclamation tiger, guys. Good luck. One tap NQ on Discord. Send me a friend request if you can. Or actually, you know, I'm going to do that right now myself. I'm going to send you a friend request. Just accept me as a friend. And then say hello to me right after. So I can go ahead and take care of your account. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, it looks like my what do you call this? My Palantir is looking pretty hot. I kind of like what I see with the Palantir, guys. In the meantime, I think tomorrow Palantir may be looking pretty sharp into the 143. So hey, not gonna ask for more. Okay, so let's take a look and see what happens here in the market, though. In the meantime, what a bounce in the market. Holy man, that's pretty wild. All right, so I've got one contract. You kidding me? Really? StockTiger, what in the world are you trying to do here? The last thing I want to see is we end up pulling back here. It looks kind of heavy here at this level, right? So I just don't want to be caught in the, you know, like if I try to go long here, we end up pulling back here all the way down to 930 area. Like I don't want to be holding a bag. So what I'm going to try to do here is I am going to go long, but I'm going to be looking for the little push down, right? A little bit of a fake push down. and then we try to get a V-shaped bounce, right? And eventually find a way to break out of this ultimate 962 area, right? That's what we may try to do here. And I'm going to be looking for that sort of a trade idea. Okay, in the meantime, so I'm going to be looking for the little pullback right down into the 930s and then kind of scale into a trade and look for that momentum push back into the 960s, and we pierce through that and have a nice little new high of the day. On the meantime, if we end up pulling back and we can't hold this 910, then I would say, well, things are gonna start to look a little more bearish here in the market, guys, today. And that would be, I would say, well, that's like 30 points away from where we are now, and maybe Tokyo may try to do that, or if we have any headlines that may possibly come in any moment. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking for and see how it kind of plays out here. 948 is where we at the moment. We've only got like 30 more minutes to go for Tokyo session. So maybe the market may be chopping here in a tight range. Just maybe kind of waiting for Tokyo. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, Tokyo has been pretty hard to trade on the first 5-10 minutes of the Tokyo Open. It's been relatively tougher. So I think it's going to be very important today, right? So because overall the market had a pretty solid bounce, right? And so coming into tonight, when I say Tokyo, guys, that combines with the Kospi, right? Because Kospi opens at the same time, by the way. And we're going to have to see what SK Hynix does today, right? That's going to be very important. And I think that's going to give us some clues on how it's going to be. But let's take a look and see where the Hynix actually ended up being. Kospi. Yeah, so Kospi did not really get a bounce over this key level. So we're kind of hovering underneath important resistance zone. We couldn't get above that, so we got rejection. We are constantly getting rejection off that level too. So I think today is going to be an important day. The semis are definitely having a lot of pressure, right? Even though the overall market is spy in the Qs, we are pretty bullish. Let's see if Tokyo try to sell off here today. That's going to put a bit of a pressure on the SPY, right? You'll see, guys, semis overall is not as good as the other ones, right? The Mech 7s, for example, like Mech 7s, the Meta up 6%, guys. Amazon up almost 5%. Microsoft almost up 5%. But if you just take a look from a semi standpoint, Nvidia only up a little less than 3%. That's probably the most we got. And AMD only up 1.7%. And I think we have an AMD earnings tomorrow, guys. AMD earnings tomorrow morning, guys. Tomorrow afternoon, AMD earnings. Holy mochaccino. I think that's really going to be the catalyst to really move the market. And that's going to be maybe, who knows what it's going to be, guys. Are we going to get another leg to the upside? Maybe possible. But I think it's going to be a very important day. Guys, man, we got a lot and lots of catalysts to really move this market once and for all. Right? AMD, guys, earnings tomorrow afternoon after the market close. So that's one. And Bitcoin is just, Bitcoin is just not doing anything, guys. If you're a Bitcoin trader, man, I don't know. Definitely on the wrong side, right? Definitely on the wrong side. And Netflix up 2%, guys, into the $73. We found a way to get a bounce off the 65. That was the low. My average on the Netflix is about $72, so we're kind of up just a little bit, marginally up. But let's take a look at the energy stocks kind of pulling back here. Chopping, though. We're not necessarily a massive pullback. It's just chopping. The XLE. The Kospi down overall 5% yesterday. And I wonder what the SK Hynix is doing. Let's take a look at the SK Hynix, guys. SK Hynix. I'm gonna add SK Hynix here into this SKHY because this is going to start being very important. Yeah, so we're nowhere near a breakout, right? So it's gonna be an important one to kind of watch and see how it kind of plays out. We're nowhere near. We're still still very bearish for Hynix. More bearish than AMD, by the way. So let's see what it does. A lot of selling pressure stepping in. Yeah, I think it's going to be a critical... we're at a critical point where, you know, the market is just about to get a nice little break to the upside from an overall index standpoint, SPY and the Qs. But I just don't have that confluence. I'm not still convinced that Kospi and the Hynix has what it takes to get a bounce. Right, so that's the difficult part. So if Kospi and Nikkei is not going to get a bounce, then I don't know. It's maybe have a limited upside for the US, right? For the Qs, we'll see though. We'll keep an eye on the Hynix. The Hynix is looking bearish though at the moment. But I mean, you guys know, I mean, Hynix moved like 15% in a given day, so anything is possible. Let's see what happens there. In the meantime, we'll take one step at a time. We're looking at this market right now, guys. We're looking for Tokyo. We want to see what Tokyo and Kospi brings to the table. For now, the market's trying to hold into the 950s. We're kind of chopping here in the range. We'll see if we finally try to break out of this area and give ourselves another leg to the upside. That could potentially take us back into the 29,060 area. So that could be another 100 points from where we are at the moment. So far, I don't have a lot of for the month of August. Well, we only started month of August, so I don't have. I think I may have some payouts already rolled in. I cannot remember at the moment, but this month is going to be an important month for me, of course. So another fresh new month. We'll be looking for. Man, it's kind of hard to say, but I mean, I'm gonna try to be at about 20K for the month of August. We're gonna try to stay at 20K. So 20K payouts. And I'm gonna look to see if I can get to see if I spent 6K, 5 to 6K, give or take round the number, 5K on the spent and 20K on the payout. So I don't reset any accounts. I don't reset any funded accounts. There's no way in the world I'm going to be doing that. I know a lot of you guys do that, but I don't. Like, I just find it difficult to try to reset any of my accounts. Funded accounts, right? I just can't, you know, I'm not okay to spend like $500-600 on a funded account. It's my fault. Ended up losing an account. You know what I mean. So I mean, I'm not interested in trying to reset and blow that account again. Because if I can blow my accounts, I can blow that resetted account too, pretty quickly. Yeah, test accounts? Yeah, of course, yeah. Test accounts, reset, or reloading account. I mean, at the end of the day, it's cheaper sometimes to reset accounts on the eval stage. That's fine. I'm talking about the funded accounts, right? I'm talking about the funded accounts.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Uh-oh, guys. Are we getting a pullback here in front of the Tokyo, guys? Is
Order filled.
Hynix going to really wreck the market here right now, guys? Is that really what it is? Uh-oh. Guys, I'll try to get it off. I'll try to take it off right now. For now. Right, I want to watch. Let's try to see what this brings to the table here, guys. We're getting pretty close to the Tokyo. What the heck was that? Gotta be careful. I do not want to be in trouble trading the Tokyo, right? You've seen all my shorts about Tokyo. Never gonna be trading Tokyo ever again. And here I am, guys, trading the Tokyo. I love Tokyo now. Okay, so far we broke we dipped underneath this trend line support. So let's keep an eye on this, guys. Let's keep an eye on this. We're finding it difficult to try to get a bounce, guys. Just kind of feel like it's a bit exhausted here, and I don't know. Just kind of feels a little exhausted here. Yeah. Okay, so we're getting a bit of a bounce here off that 930 low. Let's try to see if we hold this, guys. Okay, I kind of did a bit of a zoom out here just to kind of see where we're at from a grand scheme of things, and so far no true sort of a pullback, a meaningful pullback if you will. We're just kind of chopping here in the range. So that's at 930 into the 960. That's 30 points range at the moment, right? So that's where we're at the moment, guys. And we got an indecisive doji candle on a 30-minute chart as well, so that's gonna be a tricky one here to try to long and try to short here at the same time. So we'll try to watch this market do its thing for now. See how this thing kind of plays out, guys. All right, guys, don't forget to type in exclamation tiger for the giveaway, guys. Exclamation tiger for the giveaway. And if you're new here and if you have not done so, please take a few seconds of your time to smack the like, everybody, if you can. If you guys want to support the channel, we'll call out the winner at about 250 likes. So that's about 50 likes more from here, guys. Let's go. Thanks, everybody. Kobop Kim, you loaded up yesterday. Yeah, well, thank you so much, brother. You think we already entered? All right, let's go. Oh my god. All right, everyone. Let's. We got about 15 more minutes for Tokyo. Let's try to see what Tokyo brings to the table. But hey, guys, in the meantime, I want to know what your plans are for the month of August. Like, what do you guys plan to do? Like, obviously, from a trading journey standpoint. Anybody have plans for how you want to do well, if you will, for the month of August? What's the game plan? Yeah, I mean, yeah, we all want to make money. Yeah, yeah. I will call out whatever you guys say, right? So, I mean, that also kind of helps me to kind of understand what you guys have in your mind, right? It does help me too, of course. Break 10K on your personal account. All right. Pure mag. That's a good idea. Sounds like you've been pretty consistent there, Pure mag. So that's good. Cool, Bob. LOL. That's good too. SF Fly, make money and lose some weight. Oh, SF Fly. Lose some weight. That's a tough one. I think it's harder than trying to make money, to be honest. Be back. Month of August will be payout of the account that I just won. Oh, I see. Stick to the plan, write things down, and make small goals. Make small gains, I think that's what you're saying. That's a pretty decent game plan. Livid screams. I like your idea. Train myself to be patient. Yeah, Lilia, man. I think I'm a very patient trader too myself, but I don't know, man. I still find it difficult to... I'm still patient, but how much more patient can we be sometimes? 70-80% win rate. Search and sell. That's a... well... Oh my god, guys. Look at that bounce in the market, everybody. 958. What a bounce. Let's go. You know, even if you are at a 30% win rate, you can still be making a lot of money, right? So it doesn't really have to be the win rate that's going to be the catalyst to get yourself into a green month. Justin Wright says, in August, I want to get some surgery in... back. Hot seater, blow less accounts. Let's go. I like that. I'm going to wait for Tokyo opens. I know win rate means nothing to me if your losses are big. That's right. Real Estate Vancouver said it correctly there. I should have filtered Justin Wright's chat. I'm too naive sometimes. Just read the whole thing. Brave Day says, why is there always somebody in the chat thinking StockTiger is 50? Nobody knows. All right, guys, we're getting a nice little break to the upside here. 960, guys. If we break out of this right now, guys, we have a chance of a possible bounce attempt into the 29, ultimately to 29K. Then that's a big psychological level, guys. 29,000, right? And once we get above the 29,000, if we hold that 29s, we have a good chance of a bounce back into 29,100 as well. So, hey, that is the big level we're trying to get pierced through. Let's wait and see, guys. It is a big level. Right here. This is a huge level. We got to get above that. And that's going to be the catalyst to move this market back into continuation to the upside. Crazy, guys. Crazy. You know, I mean, the wall of orders, that's fine, but all these orders kind of get wiped off too, right? Right before we actually get there, right? That could be a fake orders too. Sir Phone says you're just hoping on the 28th of for the Jackson hole. we get a nice move attempt that I can capitalize on. Yeah, that's a good idea too. The book map is very useful to you. Yeah, that's right. I mean, I'm not gonna deny that. Yeah, it is. It is very useful. I just don't use it because the chart already makes me, you know, my eyes very tired. Right, looking at the order, the what do you call this? The book map. Just I don't know, man. I just get very exhausting pretty quickly. By the way, I like your idea, Poy Pablo. You know how to get it done? Let me know, bro. Let me know. Book map is not for the old man, but I'm only 19 though. I'm okay with the financial juice, but the book map, oh boy. I have a tough time trying to look at the book map, to be honest. I get very distracted. I've used it a little bit. I mean, not as much, but I mean, I did use a book map, and I just not like it at all, to be honest. I mean, it doesn't. Well, it's not about it does help me or not. I just, if you know, I just I get tired, right? I get tired too quickly every time I try to use book map. I don't know why, but hey. You know, when you get old, when you're 19, you know, it gets, you know, it gets difficult sometimes. All right, guys, we are ripping here into the 962s. Oh boy, the market found a way to get a bounce to the upside here. And so I'm not in a trade at the moment, guys. I'm in no po. No po means no position. I'm just kind of waiting to see if we get an opportunity, guys. We're right into the Tokyo, guys. About 8 more minutes to go. Final countdown in the house. What's going on? What's up? This Globex chop, am I right? Well, it's a chop, but it's a grind chop, right? It's grinding and grinding to the upside. So we already had a pretty good 80 points bounce right from the start of the Globex, right? So not a bad price action, if you will. This is better than the price action we had, you know, through the midday today. God, this midday today in the morning, guys, was horrible. But now we're right into getting pretty close to Tokyo, guys, and the market's gonna have to, you know, make a move here, right? Got to give us some clues, but I still don't have that at the moment. We are constantly getting rejections of that level. That's gonna be a big level, 964, guys. I think ultimately we try to break out of that. It's just that, do we end up getting a little bit of a pullback here before we start to doing that? We'll see. New York midday was not even horrible, guys. It was a disaster, man. Absolute disaster. All right, maybe I want to step in with the man. I don't know. I want to be stepping in with the pro account here. I just don't want to make a mistake. I just don't want to be making a mistake here, though. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want this a big, massive direction to move. Or maybe I should. I'll try to step in with the pro account, guys. Well, let's try to see if we can get something going here with the pro. I want to see if I can get to a payout using this account right now. I've got these other accounts that I'll be requesting a payout right after the stream is over. So I don't want to be trading those accounts because I don't want to blow those accounts, right? So Yeah, it's not updated just yet. It's not updated. The take profit trader dashboard is not updated still. Okay, so right here, guys, right here, sitting at 948. This is going to be an important moment, guys. We got only about 5 more minutes to go for Tokyo. A big moment. Let's find out what this brings to the table here. Okay, so what's the plan for Tokyo? I'm gonna try to go long, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna try to long. My risk will be about $500, okay? So in order to risk $500, I'm gonna have to make sure I'm stepping into this trade between the VWAP and the low of the day, low of the Globex, right? 940 to 930 area is where I'm going to try to step in. And I'm going to have a stop here into the 920, right? That's what I'm going to try to do. Right, so here,
Order submitted.
that's where my stop's going to be. And I'm going to be like
Canceled.
4 micro.
Order submitted.
4 micro, long,
Order
step
submitted.
in.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Right, that's what I'm going to try to do here, guys.
Order
This is what
submitted.
I've got at the moment. Or we may try to rip right off the bat. I mean, that is definitely in the cards too. That is definitely in the cards. No plans. Wait for Tokyo to see what happens. Inverse Tiger and go short. Mike Kin 6193. That's what you always say every time you're here. Like, you have to find a way to say inverse tiger. My God. Like, you have to. Your R's become itchy if you don't say it, right? Holy mochaccino. Some people just can't stop. Every single stream. No, that's fine. No. That's fine. Yeah. No, I don't think Mike is hater though. Maybe he is. I don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know. We got so many Mikins, right? So I don't know. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and try to focus on this. All right, guys, we're back here, 9:57, and we're about 2 minutes away from Tokyo, guys. It's gonna be a big one, I think. Do we get a big, massive green candle here? Do we get something like that right now, guys? Right now, or do we get something like that, or what happens? What is it gonna be, everyone? Or do we get a dump? The moment of truth in about 2 minutes. Everybody, buckle up. Do we get this, or do we end up getting this? What is gonna come first? And is it the right thing to do, like for me to try to step in with the pro account? I don't know if this is a good idea, but I want to try to take a stab, you know, see what happens. I'm not gonna risk the whole entire account, but I mean, I'm gonna try to, you know, I have a feeling that we just rip, and that's really not gonna give anybody a chance. But at the same time, I'm not truly that bullish from a Cosby Hynix standpoint. So don't use your pro account, Kazumex. The more you say that, I'm going to use it now. Oh my god, yeah. Well, at least Globex is kind, right? It's going to take you a long time to try to blow an account doing the Globex, right? I mean, I've obviously lost accounts pretty quickly in Globex as well, but I mean, not as fast as the New York, guys. Holy man. It did not really take me a long time to blow my Lucid accounts, by the way. It was pretty quick. It was pretty quick. Man, I lost it like so fast. It's not even funny, guys, man. Soon as I got into a trade, I end up blowing. Wow, look at that, guys. Amazing. Oh, shit, guys. We got Tokyo now in about 2 minutes. Sorry, not 2 minutes. About 40 seconds, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Good luck. Ten more seconds. Let's go, guys. Oh my god! You've got to be kidding! No way! What? 1 second, everybody. We have a little problem. We're getting a little pullback here, guys. That's wow.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, guys, I got filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I entered.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
My stop at the break even here, guys. My stop at the break even. I'm gonna reload just in case we end up pulling back here. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna reload on a pullback.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Stop filled.
Oh, I got stopped out right there, guys. I got stopped out at the break even. Ah, is this going to pump after take me down? You oh, no way. No way. I want my mornings back. Oh. Mornings. We need our mornings. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding, guys, man. I swear to God. Oh my. Well, it is what it is sometimes. You know, there's nothing much I can do. It really had to stop me out and get a bounce. Maybe we get a pullback, though. Maybe. Hey, guys, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. We still have a chance of a pullback here. Possible, but looks like we are going to rip to the moon, but we'll see. I'm not in a trade just yet, guys. I got stopped out, unfortunately. Very unfortunately. Let's see what happens here, guys. It could be a tough one. Who knows what it's gonna be? But man, I definitely did miss out on that one, did I? Or do we have a nice little bull flag here, guys? Kind of forming. Is this going to be a nice little bull flag to the upside? We got a nice little support here at the 960 area too, guys. 960 area is a nice little support. A minor little support. We're having a little bit of a bullish hammer here on the 30-minute chart as well. So things are not looking too shabby here at the moment. We held the view up in 943. I should have seen that. What the heck was a stop? What the fuck was my stop, yaar? Malan ne you get a stop, yaar. I know. But it's okay, guys. I would rather be a break-even stop than holding a back. I mean, we could have easily got a pullback here, right? We could have easily. Even though we're kind of bullish, I mean, right? We're looking at the worst case scenario, so not disappointed. Well, I'm a little disappointed, by the way. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This thing's gonna rip your face off, man. I'm gonna get mad. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding us. 975 is where we at the moment. 975 is where we at the moment, guys. This is a nice rip to the upside. Let's try to see if we hold this now. And we could get a bit of a fake pullback here as well. And the fake pullback ends up getting bought again. So I want to be watching out for that too. All right, so let's see what happens here, guys. We're getting a little rejection here at 978. It seems a little heavy. We'll see, guys. If we try to hold this. I don't want to be short in this market at the moment, guys. Overall, the market still sentiment to the upside. All your stops filled? All right, keep an eye on this. 970 is where we at, guys. See, we may get a little dip, and maybe we're getting that right now. I want to be a little careful, guys. I want to be a little careful. I want to be able to buy, well, not exactly at the bottom, but at least have a better entry. Just kind of make sure. But man, this thing would not give us a pullback, guys. Would not give us a pullback at all. God, man. And we're kind of chopping, but we would never break it to the downside, guys. Incredible. Incredible market. You gotta be kidding, guys. Pulling back here into the 960s. Let's go. Wow. 950 here. All right, guys. Pulling back here. I'm going to try to go long.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Ah, you again. Guys, again. Again. Let me just get out of that and try to reload on a pullback here, guys. Man, if we get a pullback, that is, right? All right, guys, I'm going to try to go long, man, here.
Order filled.
I mean, let's give it a shot. Oh, my God, really?
Order
filled.
Guys, four contracts, guys.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
I'm gonna move my stop to break even here.
Order submitted.
Oh no, I lied. Yeah, move my stop to break even here, guys. Move my stop to break even.
Order submit. Order submitted.
We must stop to break even.
Order
Ah!
failed.
Another one, guys. Another. Oh my God! Not again. Let's go. StockTiger getting absolutely smoked in the face. Woo, baby. I love it, guys. I love it. I love getting smoked, everyone. Let's go. All right, so far we're getting so far still we're kind of chopping here, right?
Order
So far we're
canceled.
kind of chopping.
Order canceled.
I wonder what it's gonna be though. We're getting a little pullback here.
Order
Order
failed.
filled.
All right, guys, I'm stepping in. This could be the one. Or this could be a big fat pullback here, possible. But I'm going to be looking for the reversal here, guys, on that pullback here into the VWAP maybe.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
All right, guys,
Order
four
filled.
contracts. Four contracts
Order
stop
submitted.
at for 942. Try to see what happens, guys. I got 4 micro contracts here. Oh man, we get rejection here. Is that really what it is? Is that really what it's gonna try to do? Oh,
Order
Order
failed.
filled.
Order canceled. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
what does it feel like it's gonna dump, guys? What does it feel like it's gonna dump?
Order.
Order
failed.
filled.
Order.
Order
failed.
filled.
Order.
Order
failed.
filled.
Oh my god.
Order
Stop
failed.
filled.
Shit.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submit.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
That's a nasty pullback here, all the way from 980 into the 930s, guys. And man, really found a way to wreck my account.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
God.
Order filled.
All right, guys, let's see. We get a little pullback here. Man, boy, what's going on here in the market, guys? Is SK Hynix pulling back? Ah.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submit.
Order
Order filled.
Oh
Order
man,
filled.
that was a tough one. Jeez. I definitely see that. Did not see that coming. What was that, everybody? Wow. Ugh. Just want to make sure what is Palantir could be doing here at the moment. Palantir up to 145. I hope this isn't going to be a start of a bigger pullback here in the market today, though. This is a pretty well, I wouldn't say this is a pretty significant pullback, to be honest. I mean, this is just, you know, let's take a look at Kospi here for a second, though. Kospi is well, Kospi is trying to get a bounce attempt. I mean, I see that right now. I mean, Kospi is up 0.25%. Right, Kospi has to get a much bigger substantial move to the upside in order to feel a lot more bullish. So Kospi is still bearish, guys, overall, including the Hynix. So all right, we are pretty overextended to the downside here. 906.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order
Order filled.
Okay, I went for a quick micro nano scalp here,
Order
and I ended up getting stopped out. One last piece got stopped out. Took a 3-piece, some profit. But looks a little weak here, guys. Looks a little weak. I wonder what it's gonna be as we are now getting into the first 30 minutes of the Tokyo session. Asia, Tokyo, and I mean in particular, I think more than Tokyo now, guys. I mean, I think it's the Kospi and the SK Hynix and Samsung that really matters the most, because you got the semis, right? You got the semis, right? Those are going to be the catalyst, right? And see, that doesn't seem to be looking too good. So let's see, guys, what sort of a bounce we try to get here in the market here right now. We got to bounce off the 902, and that's 100 points, almost 100 points pullback here, almost nearly 100%. So give or take. Now we're gonna have to wait and see. Are we gonna try to get a bounce back into the VWAP? I kind of like that idea. I want to try to.
Order
filled. Order filled.
I guess I went long with 4 contracts.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Move my stop to break even here, guys. Move my stop to break even.
Order.
All right, I got stopped that right there.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Let's try to go with 2 micros, guys. 2 micros.
Order
And move my
submitted.
stop to 9012. Oh, am I going to get stopped out right here?
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Fuck me.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order sub. Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
Come on, come on.
Order filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so I'm short from 914. I've got a hard stop here into the 911. Let's see what sort of a bounce we get here. If we can't hold this, guys, we probably end up pulling back into the 860s now. That's about 40 points. And that could potentially put me back to green. I don't know. I think. Well, I'm going to try to take one off the
Order
table right here,
filled.
guys. Down to
Order
2, last
canceled.
piece, and move my stop to the break-even area. And I'm going to be looking for that pullback into the 860s now. Yeah, not Porsche 911 Turbo. Man, it's a rough start to the day. That's really trying to see something going.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna
Filled.
stop that right there. I'm getting stopped out right here. Am I gonna get stopped out right here, guys?
Order filled.
All right, I got
Filled.
stopped out right there. Let's see what sort of a bounce we get now. Wow, man, the swings are actually pretty wild. We're getting easily at 30 points in a given time. Yeah, already went down $175. I mean, if I just try to chase the P&L, today's the kind of a day where I kind of feel like I'm gonna lose my account, so I'm gonna have to be a little careful. Of course, as much as I'd like to get it back, I mean, I gotta try to trade with caution. Oh, Benjamin, yeah, you're right. I've got to request a payout too. I completely forgot about that. Yeah, thank you guys, man, for letting me know. Oh yeah, I can request a payout. Wow, that's gonna make me feel definitely way better. All right, there we go. I did one. Let's request another one. So there, that's $670 after split that came into my wallet. So okay, so let's just kind of wait and see what this market does here. I mean, okay, so I did request a payout, and that's about $650. That's hit my wallet, so that's good. Wow, we are pulling back here. Is that really what it is? The market trying to do? Crazy stuff, man. All right, I'm gonna try to look this. Well, good idea. I try to short this. I mean, I want to be careful though. We're at the low, right? So I should, if I wanted to short this, I should have shorted at 920 area. But really, if I had to find a way to, I don't like the idea of trying to short this right now. Just don't like that idea. At least we got it back, guys. I was down like $500, and I did say that I'm going to be risking about $500 today, right, on this pro account. But we're only down about 170. One solid good trade right now, guys, could probably get everything back again. So I just want to kind of make sure. I just want to make sure we try to get some directional move here, because I mean, if I'm going to try to short this, and if we end up getting a bounce again, we're not really getting a break to the downside here, right? We're still holding this little trend line support and a channel support as well here in that 900 area, right? So we got to really find a way to This almost kind of feels like this, if you will. What do you call this? I don't know. I think we break down from here. I think we break down a possible rejection here. You got this nice little lower high, and we eventually find a way to break it down underneath the 900. A possible rejection here, and we get this nice little beautiful step to the downside that could take us down into the 960s. Sorry, 860s, right? And then maybe a potential bounce off that level, but for now, I'm not sure. If we get above 932, 930 area, then that's another, I guess, a bullish setup that could maybe take us back into the VWAP. Guys, that's the break that we have here. That's the break. Man, that's the break to the downside, guys. Looking pretty bearish here now. We're getting a lot of wicks, so gotta be really careful here. I don't know if I want to be chasing this, to be honest. And I do not want to be long either, because this... we could flush down pretty quickly, by the way, right? Let me just watch the market do its thing, guys, for now. I'm going to break it down. 898, 900 area. Yeah, I also may have a payout with Apex. We'll see. I haven't checked. Yet. Guys, we're getting a nice little break to the downside here, man. This could be the chance, but oh boy. I'm finding it hard to try to short this. I don't know why. Yeah, Apex offer is still ongoing right now. It's still 90% off, including the 100K, $59 all in. Still all there, available as we speak. And all the legacy accounts as well, up to a 300K account, right? The 300K legacy accounts. I want to take a look and see if I've got any payouts on the Apex one as we speak. But in the meantime, let's kind of wait and see what this market does right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that's a little fake there. I knew it. I kind of smelt that. I hate every time it does that. I hate it so much. But it's okay. We'll try to hold this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled. Order rejected.
Fuck me. Absolutely screw me. Oh, guys, I think this is gonna go now. Oh my god. Fuck, man. You really had to do that, StockTiger. You really had to fucking find a way to do that.
Order
Fuck
filled.
you. Oh! What a way to fucking... Fucking hate my... God! Damn, guys. Fucking hate it. Oh!
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Fucking
Order
hate that
filled.
so much. It's not even fucking funny anymore. Trust me.
Order
filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order submitted. Order submitted.
Fuck. Everything's just messed up.
Order
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Yeah, I found a perfect way to screw up on that one. Trust me. So
Order
mean.
filled.
Absolutely found a way, perfect way to screw up on that one. All right, guys, I'm gonna look to short this on a little pop. If you get, I'm just looking for that better entry point. Shit.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Just sucks, guys. Sucks. Well, what can I do? Right? I go into just my bad, my mistake. But that's costly, though. That's costly. That's a costly mistake. I'll try to get it back right now, hopefully. Again, let's see if this is going to be that little fake. Just want to kind of make sure that I don't get caught on the wrong side. This is the type of a quick bounce that I was looking for. God, man, that really thing annoys the heck out of me, to be honest. Just staying a little patient, guys. Staying a little patient. We were right into that key level, guys. 872. Getting a bounce attempt. RSI pretty overextended, so is this going to be a short-term bottom? We'll find out here into the 881. But man, am I pissed. Am I pissed. Absolutely mad at myself, guys. I mean, man, what are we gonna get out of this? Still waiting. Is this another bear flag that's kind of going to give us a pullback into the 850s now? It almost kind of looks like this here. So let's look for that little bounce here into the maybe 890. And I'm going to look to see if I can actually short this bad boy off that level. Like every time I try to short, we get a big rip in the rip to the upside. So, I mean, got to be careful about that too. We're at the lows, so I mean, it's tough to try to short this, you know? Like, man, all of a sudden things are looking a lot more bearish here coming in tonight. I'm staying a little patient, guys. Staying a little patient. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna wait for the moment. Oh, it's gonna go. Damn.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
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 Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Stop
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Ugh. Yeah, this could be a balance. Or maybe not.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
One last try, guys. One last try. If it doesn't work out, then I'm just gonna have to walk away, guys. Potentially not get into any trades anymore. Oh my god, yeah. Not a way to end the day. Just kind of feels like something's starting to brew. Something's brewing under the surface that like I said again this morning, I had a pretty pretty awful blow to some of my accounts, and Not that it was a you know, a nasty day, but I mean, it's been a while since I've actually lost some accounts like that. So, and today is a good example of losing a pro account on during the Globex session. So, just kind of feels like the stuff that hasn't been in a while. In a while, I have not done stuff like this in a while. Just makes me kind of feel like, you know, there's stuff brewing under the surface, and this is the moment where I do have to stay cautious and be careful in what I'm trying to do, because things can become very difficult if I'm not careful here, right? So I don't want to get into a situation where, you know, I end up blowing say a lot of accounts in the next couple of days, and then try to rebuild the accounts back. That's going to be a tough one. That's like literally losing a month of trading, right? So I've got to be careful in what I try to do, because I definitely do not want to put myself into that situation. I've done that, you know, I've got into that situations before in the past, so I just want to make sure
Order filled.
I know exactly,
Order canceled.
you know, what
Order submitted.
sort of a situation
Order
I'm going to get
submitted.
into if I'm not careful
Order
in what I
submitted.
try to do at the moment. Are we going to try to get a bounce, or if we get a rejection here, you guys think? Man, this is gonna go now. Fuck me.
Order.
Man.
Order
Stop.
filled.
This could be a potential bounce. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to start to try to do, because yeah, I mean, things can become bad to worse like pretty quickly, right? And it's gonna take a lot of time to try to build it up again. I've done that, so I know it. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. Oh. Let's see what sort of reaction we get here. But man, what a mistake. Unfortunately, what a mistake. I think I should stop. Yeah, you guys are right. I think I need to stop, because I think the more I trade, I think it's only going to destroy me. This area to make a break if you go above the 9 EMA. Yeah. Still think it's heading down all over again. Yeah, I mean, jet lag is there, yeah, but I mean, that cannot be an excuse for bad trading and losing accounts like that. Yeah. But at least I tried. I mean, it kind of sucks to lose an account like that, but
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted.
God, man, it's moving so quick. It's not even funny anymore, man. try to see if I can break my stop, move my stop to break even here, or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe. Let's give it a shot, guys. Let me just try to take one off the table
Order
right here.
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Stop at break even. Guys, moving my stop to the top end of this candle. I'm going to be looking for the break to the downside. See what happens here, guys. Trailing my stop to the 890 here. Trailing my stop to break it. At 890 area. And let's see if we break it down, guys. Retest the swing low and flush down into the 850s for now. And I'm gonna trail my stop, guys, as when we get a pullback in there in the market. Let's look for that leg to the downside if you can. If not, then hey, I get stopped there, right? Oh,
Stop
fuck
filled.
me, man. That got stopped out pretty quickly. All right, I'm up $12. Yes, let's go. Yes. Definitely pays for my labor, I think. Oh, guys, what a shame. What a shame. Bum, 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 bum. StockTiger up $12.5. $12.05. $12 Canadian. What a great way to make $12 and lose a pro account. Oh. Oh. 100 pesos, way more than that, I think. So now that I still think we pull back just a little more. I don't know if this pullback is over yet, to be honest, even though we're kind of tapping into the well, that's a pretty substantial pullback, you know. That's over 100 points pullback. I mean, at some point we had to get some sort of a pullback, yeah, I mean, but even then. Yeah, I'm starting to lose more accounts as I'm back here trading New York. I lost five funded accounts this morning, and I'm losing one pro here. So that's 6 pro accounts in a single day. That's a lot of accounts I lost in a while. Shit, that's a lot, man. I don't know, man. I've got to think about how to de-risk, because I think if I kind of continue, you know, the way I did this morning, I mean, I could end up easily losing another 5. No, I don't really have DLL. I don't necessarily have that. But again, I mean, I mean, considering that I'm a very active trader, I'm a very active trader. I kind of feel like I've done a pretty good job from a standpoint where, consistently holding accounts, like holding anywhere between 25 to 40 accounts at a time, right? Funded accounts. So kind of give and take, you know what I mean? So on an average, I would have at least bare minimum 30 funded accounts at a time. Plus minus, give or take 5 to 7, 8 accounts, right? Because you're going to lose accounts along the way and you're kind of rebuilding those accounts back again. So that's where I'm at. I mean, a guy who's not copy trading and active. Oh, fuck, man. Look at that pullback, guys. Damn. That's the pullback I was looking for. We just tapped into 850, guys. That was the target. God, I just kept missing out on a trade. Well, I've got $12. $12 profit I just made. So the goal for tomorrow, obviously I'm gonna lock out tonight. So tonight and London session, obviously no trading any of my accounts. And tomorrow morning, I'm gonna have to. Tomorrow morning, I may have to just not trade. I don't know. I think I better stop trading in the morning for now until I kind of get used to it again. I think that volatility here today, this morning, kind of freaked me out. Whoa! Yeah, I already got an email from Take Profit Trader. Thanks for blowing that account. Crazy stuff. Like every time you lose an account, they send it so quick. And every time you look for a credit, it takes a little bit of time. Yeah, I mean this market is tough, guys. It's not easy, right? So gotta always, when you are in a situation where things are kind of brewing in a bad way, gotta have to step back and just really watch what you're doing, because things can become ugly fairly quickly, right? Really ugly fairly quickly. I've been there. Like in the month of February, I had a pretty nasty month. Lots of big swings on my accounts, and yeah, a lot of accounts were hitting DLLs, and I had to reload, and I don't know, it was just out of control, really. And that's when obviously I was trading the silver. And guess what? This market's pulling back here right now, guys. Man, that's crazy, man. Fuck. So that's what the last thing I want to do is get into a situation where it's like things are going to start to go out of hands. And once you get into that situation and you're trying to rebuild those accounts, in that process, it's going to go through a painful, what do you call this? Painful steps, right? To rebuild those accounts and try to build a buffer again. That's tough, man. That's why I don't want to go there, right? I want to stay where I'm at the moment, guys. The last couple of months has been nice in a way that I don't really have to push myself for reloading evals a lot. All I had to do was just either take it slow or take one step at a time and try to build a buffer on one account. Just like the way I did last month, guys, with Take Profit Trader. One pro account taking you over $8,000 of profit. I mean, payout. That's the beautiful thing, right? That's the kind of a thing that I want, right? Even if it's one pro account, give me those daily payouts every single day for the next 2 weeks. If we give back every thing that we had this morning, it is going to look, I don't know. I don't think I'm not in that camp just yet, but it looks like things are starting to show some cracks here. I don't want to long and I don't want to short this anymore. Things are getting a little more risky, if you will. What my goal with Take Profit Trader here on is to maybe for the next couple of weeks, guys, try to see if I can actually build payouts using 2 pro accounts. Right? Using 2 pro accounts, I'm going to try to see if I can get those daily payouts every single day. And even if it's got to be like $50, it's okay. Oh, wait, did I actually request the payout? Oh, I did. Oh, okay. Yeah, I did. Oh, wow. Almost got into trouble. I almost blow that account with the payout. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm going to be trading anymore. It just kind of feels... I think I should step away after losing that pro. That just kind of reminds me of this morning too. So, hey, just one of those moments. Yeah, this morning was tough. This morning, probably my worst morning trade session in a long time. So I've not lost 500 accounts in a single session like that. That's the most I've lost, and all my listed accounts I lost. So yeah, in a while. So probably been about 4 months since I've actually done crazy stuff like that, right? And back to back now, 1 pro account gone here, so that's 1 down. And who knows what's gonna be tomorrow morning? Things could get ugly pretty quickly. You know, yeah. So yeah, gonna have to be extremely careful. We've been through this many times. We know how to get it done. So we're all experienced traders, right? So I'm gonna find a way to I'm gonna find a way to get it back smoothly without getting into a deeper trouble, if you will, right? It's okay. What's gone? It's gone right now. There's no point in really thinking about it. I lost a pro. What can I do, right? So it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We've tried. We were trying, right? I was trying to make a good trades, but it just did not work out, unfortunately. I made a lot of silly mistakes, and that kind of cost me the pro. Too bad. Man, that little fake that I had there really cost me big. Man, I should have shorted that. That would have been a big fat payout. God, man, always. The morning I tried to short on the pop, it ended up ripping like freaking 300 points. And now I try to long, and it's dumping a good 60 points right off the bat. So okay, it is okay though. All right, I'm yeah, I think I better stop trading at this point. Really, no point. I think it's just a little minor profit taking, a pullback that's kind of taking place. So, all right. So in the meantime, guys, as promised, we'll go ahead and do our giveaway. Do you guys think we have to do? Guys, we got so many bots on that giveaway. So I'm going to. Why don't we try to do this, guys? I'm gonna. What do you call this? Let's reopen. Right. We'll do a shotgun. Right. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we got to do a shotgun here? Yeah, shotgun's better, right? Because I mean, we got over 500 tickets right now, and we only have like 200 viewers. So yeah, I'm not in a trade. I've got no open positions at the moment. All right, guys. re-enter, guys. I reopened the giveaway. So go ahead and type in now, guys. You have to start typing in now, right? Type in exclamation tiger now, and I'll give you guys. We'll give you guys 1 minute to do that. 45 seconds. All right, guys, we are done. We're gonna go ahead and close the entries. Right, we're gonna go ahead and close the entries, guys. All right, I'm gonna close the entries here. Okay, entries closed. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jade Warney. Jade Warney, you got 45 seconds to let me know you're here with us, guys. 45 seconds. Jade Warney. Jay Warney. Oh, Jay Warney is here. So the winner goes to Jay Warney here, guys. That's the winner we have in the house today. All right. Thank you, everybody, for your patience. Not a great way to end the day. But hey, you know, we're going to have losing days, right? So I'm going to have to come back stronger, right? We'll have to come back stronger. Not a great start to the month of August. Already 3 days past, and I just don't kind of feel like I've done anything, to be honest. So I'm gonna step up. So we'll try to be back, guys, stronger, right? And let's try to bang together, guys. Everyone, I hope you all had a great day. Be safe tomorrow morning, guys. A lot of volatility. It's a tough market, so. Thank you so much once again for being here. As always, we go live every night at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And by the way, I will be live tomorrow morning, New York Cash. I will be live tomorrow morning, New York Cash. We'll be starting at 10:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern Time, guys. That's when I'll be live. Shukran, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here tonight. I love you guys, man. Really, honestly, man. So much love from you guys. Truly grateful, and I want to thank you once again, one by one, for always being here together during the good times and the bad times. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning. And then the Globex. Everybody have a great day. Thank you. God bless. And good night.